today. TOYOs. Hey, howdy folks. So today we took the bus down to, it was actually Southern Tire Mart, and had all 8 tires replaced. We had kind of a mismatch. I mean, there was 4 of one type, 4 of another, and different style tread. And so it was something we wanted to just, you know, reset. I mean, the other tires were like 7 years old, I guess. So we ended up with the TOYOs. You know, we don't really necessarily put a lot of miles on this thing. So we weren't concerned about, you know, paying the extra for, I don't know, probably American brands and that type of thing. But I'll just show you what we got here. And I'll put some details in the description as well. So yeah, this is the, it's kind of windy out here. I don't have my lug covers on, but this is the, and there's some stuff on there that we have to wash off, but the TOYO M170. So that's the front. Of course, we did all 4 on the drive axle and both on the tag axle. So like I say, everything's matching now. And let me go on the other side. Tag axle here. We got the drive axle here. So yeah, it's always a nice peace of mind, you know, to have all new tires. And so that's that. The other front. I'm actually going to have a guy come out down in Fayetteville, Arkansas. He's Woody's metal polishing, and it's funny, it's Woody's, because my Woody's corner and all. But I'm going to have him just come to the house here and do the polishing, you know, with the sanding, and whether or not we have him take the wheels off. I mean, that would be the ideal thing to do, but we'll see. But anyway, we'll do that maybe this week as well, and get these projects done. Wanderlodge is done well. We took it out, you know, yesterday for a top off. The fuel half tank was $600. So Midnight Sun's ready for another season. I've had a couple of shakedown drives here. Everything's just fine and holding well, so we like that. But yep, more to come. Looking forward to doing a lot more content this year.